Hi guys, happy Sunday. I am getting my life together today. It's bright and early and I'm headed to the farmer's market. I don't usually get that much. It kind of depends on the week, but it's just more of like the Sunday morning experience. I always get a scone for breakfast at this really good little bakery stand, and then usually just a few other like little produce things for the week. I have a couple other errands I want to get done today. I have a few organization projects for my apartment that I've been meaning to get done, so I think I'm gonna go to the Container Store today and maybe get a few things to reorganize a few different spaces, and also want to go to Target. I'll probably go to Target first and see if I can find some organizing stuff there because it's usually cheaper, but then anything else I'll just get at the Container Store. I got some good stuff at Target. Didn't end up getting that much at the Container Store. I got like 2 things. I want to reorganize my makeup that's under my bathroom sink, but the Container Store was just not having exactly what I was looking for, so I think I'm going to order stuff on Amazon, and that'll be a project for another vlog. But from Container Store, I just got 2 of these drawer organizers that I'm going to put in my like sock, underwear, bra drawer, just because I feel like that drawer always gets so messy. So I got 2 of these 2-section organizers. So I figured like this can be underwear, this can be bras. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, but just got 2 of those. And then the other thing I got is this lemon container, which I used to have this exact one. I have like all of these little containers. I have the blueberry one, the avocado one, and the onion one. They're just convenient because I never use like a whole lemon at once. I usually use half, and then you just put the other half in here until you're ready to use it, and it keeps it fresh longer. But I used to have this and I don't know what happened to it. It's been missing for months now, so I just got another one. Now that I bought this, I'm probably gonna find my old one, but got that. But then from Target, I got some good stuff. First, I was looking at their workout stuff and just got a couple things. Target has always had the best sports bras. I just got this little black, like dark gray one from the brand Joy Lab. It's cute. It feels really nice quality. It's like ribbed, and the back is just all crisscross. Can never have too many sports bras. And then I also just got this gray tank because I feel like I don't have a lot of full length just like throw on over a sports bra workout tanks, and I thought it was cute. This one is from the brand All in Motion. Picked up another pack of hangers. These are the ones I use. I like having all the same hangers. Then I got these 2 baskets. They're the same, but I need to reorganize my bags within my closet because right now all of my like tote bags, duffel bags, backpacks are literally just on the floor of my closet, and it's such a mess, and the door like gets caught on them and it looks so bad. So I got 2 of these baskets that I'm just gonna set on the floor side by side, and I can kind of organize my bags and keep them in here. So we're gonna deal with that after this. And then lastly from Target, I got these 2 pillows. I needed some more throw pillows for my couch in my living room, and decided to just go simple with these like beige fuzzy ones. They're really big and comfy. Forgot to show you what I got from the farmer's market. Just 3 things. I picked up some corn because I saw this salad on TikTok that I want to try this week. It's just corn, couscous, tomatoes, avocados, mozzarella, and something for like a dressing, but looked really good, so just got that. Also got some peaches. I got white peaches from the stand last weekend, and they were literally the best peaches I've ever had. They were so sweet, so obviously had to get more. I like white peaches a lot better than yellow peaches when they're like in season and ripe. And I just got some ginger to throw in smoothies this week. So that's my farmer's market haul. Of course, not even 5 minutes into having these baskets, now I feel bad even moving them. Okay, I put the pillows on the couch. I don't know how I feel. I feel like the 2 pillows might be a little too big for this couch. Like now the pillows are taking up half the couch, and I don't know if it looks good. Like it definitely looks very fluffy and cozy, but I can't decide if it's too much. I don't know. I can't decide. Let me know your thoughts. I'll probably keep the pillows regardless, and if I don't keep them here, I might put them on my bed because I've kind of been wanting to add some more pillows to my bed, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I don't think it looks bad, but are they just a little too big? I can't decide. Also, I've added some new little accents to my coffee table recently. These little coasters are so cute. I got them from Urban Outfitters. And then this little bowl I got while I was in Morocco. It's super pretty. It's from this pottery place that we went to, and we like learned all about how they make the pottery and the tile work in Morocco. So it was very interesting, and I obviously had to buy a few things. So I got this. I also got the coffee mug that I used this morning to make coffee in. So those two things, then I got like gifts for other people. Taking a break from cleaning and organizing my apartment to do a little Revolve haul. I just got this package in the mail with all these Revolve goodies, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna take everything out, try it all on, make sure it fits. So I thought we could do a little Revolve haul in this vlog. First off, I got a pair of shoes. These are from House of Harlow. Lennon's very curious. Here they are, so cute. I wanted a pair of lighter colored heels because I have so many black pairs, but I don't really have any like nude lighter colored ones, and I like this little knot detail in the front, and I always need to have a chunky heel so that it's on the comfortable side. So excited to wear these out. Okay, first up I have some dresses. So this is the first one. I'm obsessed. It is just this tan colored midi dress. It has a slit on the right side and then goes down like below the knee on the left side. Little one shoulder moment. I really love this. I feel like it's very classy. It's very just like timeless. Also, obviously it works for summer, but I feel like this could also transition into fall just because it's very like neutral fall color, and I could see myself wearing this with a jacket thrown over it and like little black heels for an event or a nice dinner out or something. Love this. Also, the quality of it is so nice. Next up, we have this very fun flowy dress from Camila Coelho. I think I was just drawn to this color. I love like a hot pink magenta moment, and this is just so like flowy, comfortable. It's definitely different from anything else that I have. I love the layered sleeves. I really want to wear this at the beach, like on vacation to dinner or something. I feel like it's giving very beachy, warm weather, summer vibes. It's also in the beachy vacation summer category. I love this dress. It's from Lovers and Friends. Little lilac kind of crochet moment. This is so cute. I need to book a trip to Miami or Mexico or something so that I can wear this because it's giving me vacation vibes. Oh, I love the little frilly trim at the end too. Next up, I got a few tops and also these jeans that I have on. So first top is actually a bodysuit. It's this really cool gray bodysuit off the shoulder, and it has all these different cutouts and cool details. I saw this and I was like, I have nothing like that. I feel like it's just really cute to pair with jeans. It just has this like string going down the middle with all these little cutouts. I got this in a size small, and I would recommend sizing down. The small is actually a little bit loose on me, so could have gotten an extra small, but yeah, super cute nonetheless. Then these jeans are from Girlfriend Denim. This is the first pair of jeans I've ever tried from Girlfriend, and they're really cute. They fit me really well. I got a size 27, I believe, and kind of hard to show, but the ends have little slits in the legs, so they kind of flare out and have that little cut detail, which is really cute, especially if you have like a fun shoe on. You can kind of show them off. But yeah, they're just a nice like mid-rise waist, mid-wash, and yeah, I really like them. Okay, next up we have this adorable little pink top. I'm so obsessed with this. This is like the prettiest little top I've ever owned. It's very girly and frilly, just in this light pink color. It's kind of like a corset style top around the rib cage, and then it just has all these little fluffy frills at the top, ties in the middle. I love this so much. It's definitely very like spring summery. Even though we're entering fall soon, I will absolutely be wearing this top before summer is over. Next up, I got this little silky golden yellow top. I like how it has one thick strap and one thin strap, a little asymmetry. honestly. I really like this color. I don't really own a ton in this like golden-y color. I feel like it's super flattering. I can never have too many like little silky tops like this. They're just a go-to to pair with a pair of jeans when you need just a basic jeans and cute top outfit. So love this one. I think it looks good with these blue jeans, or it would look really cute with a pair of white jeans for summer. Okay, last but certainly not least, I got this bodysuit. I have literally been eyeing this bodysuit on Revolve for probably years now. I just love these little bodysuits from Majorelle. They have a few different colors of these sheer like polka dot bodysuits. Sorry, you can literally hear the floor creaking as I'm walking. That's so annoying. I decided to just get it in black, so it's kind of like a nude bodysuit with this black overlay, and it's just very classy, simple. This will be a really good piece for fall and winter. I can already picture the outfit. This with jeans and like an oversized leather jacket over it and little black heels or booties, just for like a night out, a date night, dinner with the girls, whatever. There's just so many ways to wear this. It's definitely a good basic. And yeah, I love it. So cute. That is everything that I got from Revolve. I will have it all linked down below along with my sizes and everything if you guys want to check out anything for yourselves. Okay, time to address this closet. This is the floor space I was talking about. Just bags thrown everywhere. It's such a mess. So I'm gonna put those 2 bins from Target down here and organize all of those. Also, this side of the closet could use a little clean out. This has just become like a catch-all for PR, backup like skincare, makeup products. These baskets with bags, hats, swimwear, they're all like overflowing. So I need to go through some of this stuff and just make this look cleaner and more organized. Closet is officially organized. Didn't really do much up top. That's the best it's gonna get, but I think the shelves look a lot better. Just kind of cleared some stuff out, especially like around here. Refolded the towels and sheets so that they look a little nicer. Organized these 2 baskets more. That's all looking good. The baskets are 10 times better. I feel like bags are just hard to organize in general, so at least throwing them in a basket is better than having them on the floor. Okay, update. I'm obsessed with these organizers. Life-changing. They just section everything off. So I have bras over here. This is like shapewear. Bralettes in the first organizer. The divider is like optional, but I think it's better to have it sectioned off. And then over here, I have thongs on the bottom one, and then like regular underwear on top. And then all my socks thrown over here. There's no good way to organize socks, but this is definitely 10 times better than it was before. I just got out of the shower. I did a little hair mask while I was in the shower. Just the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Classic. My hair feels so soft and literally smells so good. But I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of skincare before bed, starting with my tretinoin from Apostrophe. I talked about this a couple vlogs ago. Putting my headband on. Next, I'm trying out this moisturizer for the first time. It's the Sonia Dakar Blue Butterfly Balm. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday. It's very interesting. It's not like a cream moisturizer. It's like literally a balm, so it's kind of solid. and I was watching like videos on this, and it's kind of more of a slugging experience than like a classic moisturizer, but I'm gonna try to use this as my moisturizer tonight and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna put a lot of this on, and I'm probably gonna look like a glazed donut, but that's the goal. It smells really good. It smells like a spa. My skin's been pretty dry all of a sudden, which is weird in the summer, but I think it's because I was traveling and just like not in my normal skin routine, so I could use a heavy duty moisturizer right now. I'm gonna keep testing this out and I'll report back on my overall thoughts. A little Aquaphor on the lips. Are kind of growing on me, not gonna lie. I was like sitting on the couch for a little bit and I felt so just like closed in and cozy. I have a very busy work week ahead. The Sunday scaries are hitting, so I'm gonna head to bed early tonight and end off this vlog here, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if there's any other summer related videos you guys want to see, because it's already August and summer's gonna be over before we know it. So before we get full blown into fall mode, let me know if there's any other summer videos you guys want to see. But I will talk to you guys in another vlog very soon. Bye.